Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make quality yogurt. First, choose your milk. Whole milk often yields the creamiest results. Gently heat the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching. This step is crucial for denaturing proteins, which helps create a thicker yogurt. After heating, let the milk cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for introducing your starter culture. Once your milk reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add your starter culture. You can use a packet of freeze-dried culture or a few tablespoons of plain yogurt with live active cultures. Gently whisk it into the milk until fully combined. Now, the fermentation begins. Keep the mixture at a steady temperature, ideally between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 8 hours. An insulated container or yogurt maker works perfectly. After fermentation, your yogurt will be set. Carefully transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours. This step halts the fermentation process and allows the yogurt to firm up further. If you prefer a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, you can strain it. Line a colander with cheesecloth and let the yogurt drain in the fridge for a few hours. The liquid, called whey, can be saved for smoothies or baking. Now for the fun part, flavoring your homemade yogurt. You can stir in fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or a touch of maple syrup. Get creative with your favorite toppings. Store your delicious yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 7 to 10 days. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your fresh, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.